GMT generally rose 21.99% in 7 days, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bears control GMTs in every practical sense, current cost activities in a very significant way. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN is floating at $315,095,195, or so they sort of thought. Current STEPN cost basically is $0.3209 December 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Sort of is GMT a kind of wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations in a significant manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569, showing that current STEPN cost basically is $0.3209 December 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through STEPN cost investigation for now, or for all things considered. 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially is especially transient cost expectation for STEPN, truly is GMT, an especially wise interest in an unpretentious manner. The very absolute exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $68,939,985,961, which all things considered is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, which basically shows that GMT truly rose 21.99% in 7 days, or so they generally thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period, pretty further appearance how stepn support and obstruction levels, and so forth in an extremely significant manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB especially, is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09 in an extremely enormous manner. Moreover, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending heading for certainly momentary in a genuinely large manner. As of now, an extremely broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how stepn support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which sort of is genuinely huge. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly more by and large dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how current STEPN cost fundamentally is $0.3209 December 2023. In this video we will really walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time commonly clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for STEPN, truly is GMT a very wise venture, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT, for the most part is at 32 cents, down 6.45% and the by and large beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week. So market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569, exhibiting that current stepn cost explicitly is $0.3209 December 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what generally is in every practical sense. Momentary cost expectation for stepn really is GMT and in every way that really matters, wise speculation, which truly is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while certainly all out, market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely critical. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,385,950,707 truly are available for use out of 5,369,650,737 in an unpretentious manner. STPN value examination GMT cost examination for 09 December 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC all things considered is 315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while pretty all-out market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars incredibly. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to really dissect the future development of the STPN, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely large manner. The general strength record, RSI, shows that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is at 37, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. While GMT's Williams percent R pointer sort of is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A